Bank interest rate cuts won't save homeowners in 2024, especially in Toronto. With Toronto's skyrocketing home prices and high levels of debt, interest rates may not have the desired effect on home affordability. We will explore the various factors affecting the Toronto real estate market and provide insights on what homeowners can do to navigate these challenging times. So with some interest rate cuts that are kind of in the forecast as we speak, that will not help the homeowners with renewing their mortgage. It will help them on a small micro scale. And this is why 3 to 5 years ago, if they locked their mortgage rate at 1.5%, 2%, or in these low rates, now they will definitely renew around 5%. Depending on the banks, could be 475, could be 525, and there are so many different platforms when you go to the bank, and different various programs that banks offer. But regardless, think about that. It will double. So 2.2 million mortgage borrowers in 2024 and 2025 will have to renew their mortgage in Canada. That represents 45% of all outstanding Canadian mortgages. And you know what? That definitely will be a shock. So what you could do is not focusing on the interest rate cuts. You should focus on your affordability. Check your work, try to check your subscriptions, anything that's ongoing on monthly basis and stuff like that, because we have a lot of those holes in every household. We have subscriptions that we forgot that we're paying for. I had a friend of mine and a colleague call me this morning and said, hey, look, I paid something for $27 for years now. He doesn't even know what it is. Eventually he found out, but that $27 will multiply tenfolds because you don't know what's going on, right? So you will definitely find that, a few $100, maybe even a few $1,000, depending for what and what you needed in your business or lifestyle. So if you're a first-time buyer and you are anticipating that bank rate cuts so you could actually get into the market and stuff like that, well, bad news for you, because when that happens, everybody that's kind of on that little fence waiting for those interest rate cuts to happen, guess what? Everybody will get into the real estate market and everybody will try to get into a home and real estate, right? So I think your job as a first-time buyer right now is just to go to your bank, find a right advisor, a realtor, talk to them, make sure that you know your affordability scale and level, and what you could actually purchase, and try to dig the best property currently. So for all of you that are currently in a home already and you're breathing heavy, right? Those rate cuts will not help you. I mean, like, what's a quarter gonna do? It's gonna do a little bit, but not much, right? So as I just said, 45% of the whole Canadian households, which equals to 15 billion in payments collectively in Canada, will have that increase. So that's just another data. Like, if you cannot afford your home today, maybe you should think about getting rid of it, or maybe trying to downsize, or figuring out another method of income and sustain yourself. So if you are looking for an investment, I think pre-construction or these new development projects is definitely something interesting, because you don't have to move in right away. You don't need that mortgage right away. You don't need all these things right away. And by 2027, 2028, 2029, depending on that particular project, hopefully the market will stabilize and you will have a chance to accumulate more savings and all of that stuff. So that's something you should definitely think about when it comes to investment, right? When it comes to housing affordability, unfortunately, when interest rates cuts usually alarm that increase in real estate pricing and all of that stuff, right? So the affordability might be a little bit easier, but if you have the prices kind of go up, it kind of washes itself out. So I do believe that today is definitely a good opportunity for you to at least explore the real estate market and maybe put yourself in the right vehicle today. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.